We have a very interesting curriculum, which is very unique. That is Rainbow curriculum. It's based on seven intelligence. Actually, man, every kids are different. अलग है, बहुत तो unique है. So we based on that, their needs, what they want from us. Few kids love to learn through playing. Some kids love to learn through music.
That teacher should be a drama queen in front of the kids, right?
Needed and so most
Great. हेलो दोस्तों, तो स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस नए एपिसोड में, जहां हम बात करते हैं छोटी उम्र के बड़े सवालों का। तो आज इसी एपिसोड को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं अंकिता बासु, जो है द क्रेयॉन स्कूल की एक पैशनेट टीचर।
Hi Ankita, can you introduce yourself? Hello ma'am, I'm Ankita Basu and I have 10 years experience in this field and currently I'm working with Beyond School and there I'm taking care of nursery classes. Great. So, Ankita, can I know about your journey, how you came into the education field and what inspires you to come in the morning to this school and handling this little crayonites? Yes, ma'am, actually, I love kids. So I love to know what their emotional world and I want to be a part of their journey. So this inspired me to be a teacher. And yes, I love my job. Great. So if I will talk about Ankita, what's the basic duty of a teacher? Basic duty is to first we should guide our child in a right path and for that we need to be patient and we need to know what they want, what is their needs. So yes, that is the basic thing. Great, great. So, if I talk about the Crayon School, what is the mission vision of the Crayon School? And you're working with them from past 5 years. So what is the thing which you like most about the Crayon School? Okay, so ma'am, actually we believe that every kids are unique. So in our crayon school, we provide a healthy and loving, safe atmosphere where they can grow as they want. So we have a very interesting curriculum, which is very unique. That is Rainbow curriculum. It's based on seventh intelligence. Actually, ma'am, every kids are different. अलग है, बहुत तो unique है. So we based on that, keep their needs, what they want from us. Few kids love to learn through playing. Some kids love to learn through music and role play. So our curriculum based on that only. Our curriculum follows that. How we serve them their education. Okay. So in the classroom, you have a books also, right? Yes. For preschoolers. So what, how you can do your activities on those books, or what else you are introducing in the classroom? In our school, in this curriculum, we have month one book system. जहाँ पे we select one theme, उसके base के ऊपर से we create one story which covers their numeracy, their English, their science, and their basic skill, the language, and other everything introduced. Yes, introduced. So this looks great. This looks very interesting. So how these things are accepted by parents and I think if you have this kind of curriculum, somehow it's seriously teachers and parents are all in the same thing, how much the child is learning. So is this books are NEP NCF based curriculum? Because nowadays we are listening everything. Every school is saying that we are NEP based curriculum and what is this NEP based curriculum and what is NCF all about? NEP says that what kids supposed to know by their age के हिसाब से. So we planned our book accordingly. So this actually not helps to our kids and for parents, that is help होता है teachers को भी. So teachers also knows that what we need to prepare for the next month, what we need to going to deliver. So it's very good concept for both of us.
Okay, great. Great, Ankita. So, अगर मैं बात करूँ कि आप कोई एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करते हैं around your any topic and you introduce that in the classrooms. Suppose, as you told us that every child has a unique learning capability, right? So that story definitely will be having some music, some fun, some drama, right? So how you do this in kind of role plays or story narrations? How you do this?
Actually, ma'am, kids. So as a teacher, our main thing is to grab the students' attention. तो ये challenge सबसे बड़ा challenge है. So for that, we need colorful props, our voice modulation, and characters role play. So it's based on everything कि कैसे हम लोग उसको interesting कर पाए कि बच्चे बैठ के सुने. So yes, that is a very interesting part.
So you are saying that teacher should be a drama queen in front of the kids, right?
Needed than we so often.
Great. So अगर बच्चा tantrum कर रहा है, teachers can also show that kind of tantrum. She
Yes.
can also have the role play like I'm also crying if you are crying. And apart from this, apart from your books, apart from your activities, what other things you are doing in the classroom? Or if I ask you, what's the usual normal crayons school day one morning when you start? How it starts with the kids?
So first of all, we welcome them with the activities and then assembly and then circle time, which is very important.
So
for
what
our
is
kids.
circle time,
Circle
Ankita?
time is basically social development बढ़ाने के लिए, skills को enhance करने के लिए,
Mhm.
a basic activity जहाँ पे communicate करते हैं one to one and
Okay.
peer जो relation है that also build. So it's
So यहाँ पे आप लोग क्या करवाते हैं बेसिकली यू डू समथिंग सम एक्टिविटीज लाइक जहाँ पे शेयरिंग हो रही हो
yes,
जहाँ पे राइम्स हो रहे हैं ओके
what emotions
Mhm.
and through any song and body activities like this. I think this is a very important part for every preschool.
ओके सो स्टार्ट अ मॉर्निंग इन दिस वे एंड
And then structural जो activities होते हैं numeracy, English and the basic science. So उसके हिसाब से एक plan करते हैं that we go through it कि कैसे उसको deliver कर पाए and हर बच्चे के needs को fulfill कर पाए. That is basic, very important. So every day we follow that rule in classroom.
Okay. So after academics, how you take their extracurricular activities for you are using any kind of tools in the classrooms or how you do that?
Yes, if we need any if, suppose we introduce one topic, so there we use their colorful props, colorful letting board, and some fine motors instrument. So we used to
So ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आप लोगों के पास क्लासरूम्स में हैंडी रहता है
yes, yes.
that you can do that and introduce in the classrooms, right? Different kind of activities through those instruments. So basically ये क्या Montessori equipments होते हैं या कुछ different आपके पास है स्कूल में?
Kit.
Okay.
And in our school, we follow one prayer box, which
Okay.
is very, very interesting
Okay.
for teachers. And
So
for
what is
children
this
too.
prayer box? I have not heard about this concept. So what all things are there in a it means अगर मैं आपकी बात से analyze कर पा रही हूँ तो it's some kind of a box.
Box.
So what's there is कुछ इसमें magical things होती हैं कुछ hidden treasures होते हैं क्या होता है prayer box?
So in this prayer box, we have learning kits, so which help kids to communicate with that topic. And like वहाँ पे flash cards होती है and then beads, colorful beads होते हैं for the fine motors development करने के लिए, and this box especially it create bridge between student, teacher and parent. In Friday, every Friday we used to send it to home.
Okay.
जहाँ पे but जो parent है, they can sit together and they can have a good time with it. जहाँ पे screen time, that is a big problem these days. So उसको cut करने के लिए this box help us a lot.
ओके, सो आप कह रहे हैं कि पेरेंट्स भी बच्चों के साथ ये एक्टिविटीज घर पे करते हैं एंड उनकी लर्निंग में हेल्प होता है एंड दे कैन एंजॉय देयर ओन टाइम ओवर देयर, राइट?
What is going on in the class?
ओके,
Yes, this box is like really magic.
great, great. So Ankita, apart from this, how much you or your other teachers, peer teachers, are connected with the parents? So how that connection has been built means how you take their feedbacks and what kind of activities you do usually with the parents also.
So, ma'am, we don't wait for the PTM. Every day we communicate with them what is going on in the class. If anything specially we want to share that we need to change in that particular kid. So we, yes, definitely we well connected with our parents. Actually, we should work together, parent and teacher. अगर हम लोग एक साथ काम करेंगे then बच्चे पे भी वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. So we believe on that. So we do connect with our parents frequently.
Okay, okay, great. And apart from the academics things in the crayons, what other things are there which you love the most? Ki this is the time when we are any celebrations or how the year goes on. What kind of celebrations? Where I think there should be some celebration where parents should be involved in that, and apart from that, grandparents should also be the part of this beautiful journey. So how you plan these things?
We do celebrate every like Colors Day,
Mhm.
and with the parent, we do celebrate Mother's Day, and grandparents are very important for us. And for that, we celebrate Grandparents' Day also. And the biggest celebration is Annual Day. And जो हम लोग सारे here we are waiting for that only, and other things for magic show, any like any parenting session, and graduation day, of course. Yes, we
Okay.
full year we celebrated so many things.
Okay. So, if I talk about the emotional journey of a child, suppose it's the first day of the child when he is joining the school, and as a teacher on that first day, what will be your responsibility?
First day, actually, ma'am, we are working with that age like 2.5 to 4, 5 years. So this is the basic, very basic thing. We, as a teacher, I believe that they should know the basic hygiene, the basic like what you say like basic thing कि हमें classroom में बैठना है, the basic etiquettes, and then basic learning of course. So as a very first days we settle them down with the many various activities, and yes, that is a
So, Ankita, इसमें बोलते हैं कि teacher is the second mother
yes.
of a child. Like whatever he is learning first from her, his or her mother, and then he comes to the school. So, teacher, he always looks upon the teacher if he is not feeling good, if he has a you can say a bad day or something like that. So, in that way, how emotionally teacher can help a child?
That's why, ma'am, we हम mother teacher हैं. So mother, second mother, we can call us, right? So as a mother teacher, you should know what your kids need, what they want. अगर बच्चे ने रोया, तो why? Something must be there. So we should understand, and to be very honest, as a teacher, we should be very patient. So एक बच्चे का they have like a they are like a clay. how you mold, they will get that shape. So we should be very patient, and as a teacher, as a second mother, our responsibility to take care of our kid in a very like warm, with a very warm touch.
Very nice. So, Ankita, let's start with our rapid fire round.
Oh wow!
I'm just going to ask you few questions, and you just need to answer in one word, right? So let's have some fun. So, okay. So now my first question to you is एक word to describe the crayon school.
Innovate,
बच्चों की cutest habit.
questioning,
Favorite classroom activity.
circle time,
One thing every parent should remember.
be patient.
अगर आप बच्चे होते तो आपका फेवरेट क्रेयॉन प्रोग्राम कौन सा होता?
Annual day. There is no doubt.
ग्रेट. एंड अगर आप बच्चे होते तो आप कैसा स्कूल चाहते? क्या आप क्रेयॉन्स में हैं तो आप क्रेयॉन्स जैसे स्कूल चाहिए था? एंड व्हाट ऑल न्यू थिंग्स यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस इन क्रेयॉन्स?
If I'm a kid, so I must say कि of course I'll prefer crayon school because I can get a very secure and very loving and very that I'm getting that touch, you know, कि मैं घर से दूर हूँ and एक homely जो atmosphere होना चाहिए, and all I'm getting from this crayon school. So if I am kid, yes, if I am kid, so I love to be in crayon school.
Thanks, Ankita, and I'm very much grateful for your such insightful informations which you have shared with us, and really love to have a teacher like you in my today's conversation. Right, looking forward more from your side, and definitely some healthy recipes for the mothers in our next meeting, so that they can introduce those things to their kids at home. And I think the basic duty of a teacher is to create the good habits in the kids in this age group where they are in their preschoolers, and they should learn how to share the things. And parents should be also be very aware of the things ki how the things going in the school. And yes, definitely you will be the bridge between all these things. So thank you very much, Ankita, and
Thank you so much.
love to have you again in this conversation. Looking
Thank you
forward.
so much for giving me this opportunity to share my things. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू अंकिता. सो दोस्तों, अगर आप क्रेयॉन स्कूल में के बारे में और जानना चाहते हैं तो विजिट करें इनकी वेबसाइट www.thecrayonschool.com, और अगर आप घर पे स्कूलिंग को कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं तो चेक आउट देयर क्रेयो बॉक्स. Thank you very much for today's episode, and let's connect again in our next episode with another celebrity guest. Thank you very much.